Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this is very likely to be an ABC correction that we're looking at here. I think it's going to make three waves down before it potentially goes up for a wave 5 to complete what I think all the yen pairs have a very, very clear 5-way pattern on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, this looks like a potential A. I think this is a wave B. It is turned down, but it hasn't really broken structure yet, so we can't say for sure that wave B is over, and it definitely could go up again to finish off the wave B. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now, technically on the daily, the trend is down. We are making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Until we actually get some sort of a break to the upside, the trend is down, and we should be looking for shorts on sort of time frames. I was thinking that this potentially was going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But if it really is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it pretty much would have to turn up pretty much right away because it's getting too big to be a wave 4 compared to the wave 2. So that tells me that it honestly might just continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and it might just be already in that big wave C of wave 4. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down, so I would be looking for shorts, at least until we get some sort of a break or structure to the upside. I'm definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, now I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short now. I would only be going short on pullback, so if it does start a move to the upside, and then it makes three waves up and engulfing down, that would be the next entry that I would be looking for the continuation of the downtrend. If it does go up and start breaking some of these structures, then that would definitely turn me back into a buyer because that would likely be the end of a wave 4 and wave 5 on the higher time frames. So I'm definitely looking for shorts unless we get a breaker structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.